To the hot tub. Let's get my laptop.
Is that all the previous leaders kind of just want to be helped?
This bubbles are pretty hot. Wait, if it's not, it'll get colder.
I was going to throw my laptop in the house.
I'm coming.
Woo!
That was cool. It looks like
It's coming down. I can see the temperature coming
it's like
down.
yellow fishing when you go underwater.
Is it?
Yeah.
Look,
It's how it's going. I have no. No, it doesn't. But it looks like it's like you can see yellow fishies underwater. Yeah. Watch this. I'm gonna hear right now. I can blue, guys. Go underwater. Harry, stay out here.
Yeah, well.
What? Underwater like this. So I'm cold.
We wait for you. Just gonna play Lazy Lancer. What?
What?
Didn't even let me start.
That was easy.
Hold on, I need to put the vlog down for this. Get off! I'm playing anymore. You're a cheater.
I'm beating my dad.
You're a cheater.
Yeah, that was wait.
So we're heading to the secret room. Slow down here. I'll show you the secret room. Just be real careful on the steps.
I'm gonna go in, guys. I'm gonna go in, and then I'm gonna tour you. Let me in, guys. Wait, hi. Let me in.
Okay, go. Go, go,
The
go.
door's not opening.
Yeah, push the handle down. Ta-da!
In the Xbox.
All the games, so we can take one up to the house now if you want.
Or
Or
no,
two.
I'm just waiting for my toes to be like released
That's fine.
because they really hurt.
So we're heading to the BIC from our house that we rented through Airbnb or bookings.com. So we're heading for a park. Through the tennis court area. Juice. And then this way, is it? Oh, they're all over there. Cheeky monkeys. It's called Central Gardens. That we're walking through now. Heading all the way to the BRC in Bournemouth. A couple of minute walk. And then we're in town. Got Boots, Clark's, Burger King, literally town. And it's just literally over there. Over the garden. We're heading through.
Yeah, it would be cheaper. That's where the awards are, the Pavilion.
Oh, so we're behind the wheel.
Yeah.
So it's up there for the awards.
But there's different venues, depends on what arena you're in, depends on where you go for your awards.
Oh, okay.
So Lille's awards are inside the main building tomorrow.
Welcome to Bournemouth Pier.
I'm waving at you guys.
Oh, sorry!
I can see the sea over there. Look, can you see it?
Yeah. The sand's not wet. No. Can you look after my glasses? Are you excited, Ellen?
Look at all the seagulls. They're crazy.
With 3 kids and 1 grown-up.
There's one grown up.
The other grown-up.
3 degrees are off. Good luck.
Harry, please can we go to that?
So we're heading off to the spectators area, and we're heading for the Windsor stage. And welcome to the BIC, Bournemouth International Centre.
I don't like
So we need to find the Windsor stage. Windsor Hall's up there.
One of those things, isn't it?
Are you ready to go in?
Have you been told any instruction on where to go?
This is pretty cool, isn't it? Look at those screens up there. Okay, follow them. Right, there's your drink.
They're just testing them out.
Next up, competing in the International Open Non-Tumbling Level 4 division. Level 3, excuse me. Representing 3 Degrees All-Stars, please welcome to the stage. This is the Grenade.
Good old British weather.
You need to go on the mountain, Dad.
Yeah, well, she might not want to though. So we're heading back to the house in the rain. Good old British weather in the middle of July, and it's raining. Let's go. So we got football, Germany against Spain, and we're heading off to the hot tub, where Lacey is doing snorkeling with the Euros.
Look it. Good. Let them fold this way. Let them fold this way.
I don't really know.
Well done. That was good.
We lost count.
Remember, don't let that orange bit go under the water. A little bit of a shock.
Oh.
I didn't get anything.
So, Germany are out. Goodbye. And once again, where are we going?
In the hot tub.
Yeah, off to the hot tub yet again.
shoes on, guys.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Meet our dad. Papa, you know, from the dentist,
Yeah,
the felling had a joint.
that's good.
What is it?
Shame about the weather. Raining. Nice and nice and nice.
It's nice and warm. Put your hand in. Put this on. Put your hand in.
Nice, yeah. Oh, soaked. Woo! Traffic jam. On your eyeballs.
I'll show you what's at the water. Wait a minute. And please don't help me get out. My friend is really annoying. Guys, I think someone's joining us. Guess who it is? Lily. You know who this is? Lily. Lily. No. Lily. You mustn't peek, my little baby. Don't listen to that. It's raining. She's not dead. It's dead. It said pairing. Everything is dead. Wait, no, if I go there. It's cold out there. Oops. It's cold. She left her. I missed it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Do subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye guys. Bye guys.